Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie. Stock number 29130T. What a gorgeous truck. We had a Rocky Ridge K2 conversion package put on this. Now this truck is Delmonico red in color. It's got the 5.7 Hemi in it with an 8-speed automatic transmission. We've got a sport appearance package on this, which gives you the painted grille or the painted bumpers, blacked out grille, blacked out emblems. Gorgeous truck. We also got a off-road package put on this from Chrysler, or I should say Ram. It's a very well equipped truck. It's a level 1 package on this thing, equipment group. We've got front parking assist, rear parking assist. Blind spot monitoring with cross path detection. Of course, you have the backup camera. Gorgeous truck. Now with Rocky Ridge, they put a 6-inch lift on it. We got 20-inch black high gloss painted wheels. 37-inch Mickey Thompsons. The wheel flares. There's your K2 badging. The black infab step bars. A mean looking truck. Now this is a full crew cab. Black leather interior. Gorgeous interior. Laramie stitched into the back of the seats. Gray piping all throughout. Of course, it's got the buckets in it. They are heated. Heated steering wheel. We've got the 4C navigation 12-inch display radio. That thing is just awesome. CD player. Integrated trailer brake control. Here's your 4-wheel drive on the fly. Push buttons. Of course, you got the Uconnect hands-free telephone. Cruise control. Power pedals. Memory seats. Power folding mirrors. Power driver's seat with a power lumbar. Plenty of room in the second row here. Seats fold up, give you plenty of space for any cargo hauling. Underneath the ram mats here, you've got some storage compartments on either side. That could be used as a cooler if you like. It's got a plastic liner in it. This does have a full panoramic sunroof in it too. Hard to see with that cover closed on it, but it's there. Power sliding rear window. Dual black tipped exhaust. Tow package. There's your Laramie badging. Of course, you got the rear backup camera. These tailgates come down real nice and easy now. They're not going to fall down hard on you. And they're very light. It's a one-arm tailgate now. Heated mirrors. Remote start. All the goodies. I don't know if I said power passenger seat or not, but it's there with the power lumbar. '19 Ram 1500 Laramie, full crew cab 4x4, off-road package, K2 Rocky Ridge conversion package. Here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.